Hi friends, this is your ANR sir. Today I have come up with some new problems from your chapter Linear Equations in Two Variables. Linear Equations in Two Variables for class 9th. For class 9th from your exercise number 6.2. From your exercise number 6.2. The first sum reads like this. Find three different solutions of each of the following equations. Find three different solutions of each of the following equations. The first equation is what? 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. So we have a standard form. What is that? Y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. So what we do, let us take this 3x to other side. 4y is equal to 7 minus 3x. 7 minus 3x. First, let us take x is equal to 0. First, let us take x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, then what happens? X is equal to 0. Then 4y is equal to 7. 4y is equal to 7 or y is equal to 7 by 4. That means your first value is what? 0, 7 by 4. 0, 7 by 4. Next, let us take x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Then what happens? 4y is equal to 7 minus 3. Because x is equal to 1. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is equal to what? 4. 4y is equal to 4 or y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. So that is your second solution. 1, 4. 1, 4 is second solution. Now what we do? Now let us take x is equal to 0. Let us take Now let us take x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. Then 4y is equal to 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 how much? 10. Or y is equal to 10 by 4. Y is equal to 10 by 4. So what is your third solution? So all these three solutions I write here. 0, 7 by 4, 1, 4, next minus 1, 10 by 4. 0, 7 by 4, 1, 4, minus 1, 10 by 4. These three are solutions for of this equation 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. Now let us do the second sum. First let us take x is equal to 0. Then your y also becomes 0. Y also becomes 0. Because 6 into 0 is 0. So now let us take x is equal to 1. Then y will become 6. This is your second solution. Let us take x is equal to minus 1. Then your y will be equal to minus 6. So the three solutions are 0, 0, 1, 6 and minus 1, 6. Clear? So now let us do one more example. 13x minus 12y is equal to 25. Let us take 12y other side and bring this 25 this side. Then what happens? 13x minus 25 is equal to 12y. Clear? So now first let us take x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, then what happens? 12y is equal to minus 25. 12y is equal to minus 25 or y is equal to minus 25 by 12. Y is equal to minus 25 by 12. This is your first equation. Let us take x is equal to 1. Then what happens? This is 13 minus 25. 13 minus 25. So what you get? Minus 12. What you get? Minus 12. So 12y is equal to minus 12 or y is equal to minus 1. This is your second solution. This is your second solution. So now let us take x is equal to, or let us take y is equal to 0. Let us take y is equal to 0. So 13x minus 25 is equal to 0 or 13x is equal to 25 or x is equal to 25 by 13. So what are the three equations? First one, 0 minus 25 by 12. Second one, 1 minus 1. Third one, 25 by 13, 0. Clear? So now let us do this one. 2x minus y is equal to 7. Clear? Let us take y that side and 7 this side. So 2x minus 7 is equal to y. So first let us take x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, then what happens? Y is equal to minus 7. Y is equal to minus 7. If x is equal to 1, 2 into 1, 2, minus 7, minus 5, y is equal to minus 5. If x is equal to minus 1, this becomes minus 2, minus 7, minus 9, y is equal to minus 9. So what are the three solutions? One is 0, minus 7. Second one, 1, minus 5. Third one, minus 1, minus 9. Clear? Now let us do this one. X plus y is equal to 0. So first of all, let us take x to other side. Y is equal to minus x. So first let us take x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, then y also becomes 0. Clear? Next, if x is 1, y is minus 1. If x is minus 1, then y is plus 1. So these three are your solution for x. What are they? 0, 0, 1, minus 1, minus 1, plus 1. Clear? And here we have one more sum. So let us take 11y that side and bring 21 this side. 10x minus 21 is equal to 11y. So first of all, let us take x is equal to 0. Then what happens? 11y is equal to minus 21, or y is equal to minus 21 by 11. Clear? Now let us take x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Then 10 minus 21. That means 11y is equal to minus 11, or y is equal to minus 1. Let us take x is equal to minus 1. Minus 10 minus 21. 11y is equal to minus 20 minus 10 minus 21 minus 31. Y is equal to minus 31 by 11. So what is the solution? 0, minus 21, 1, minus 1, and what is third one? Minus 1, minus 31 by 11. I think you understood how to find a number of solutions if an equation in two variables is given. So tomorrow again I come up with some new problems. Till then, bye bye and have a nice day, nice time.